Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to connect ElevenLabs to Claude using the available connector. So this connection allows Claude to access ElevenLabs once the setup is completed correctly. So make sure to follow each step carefully so the connection works properly. So to begin, I want you to open the Claude application on your device. Sign into your Claude account if you have not already done so. So once the application is open, click the sidebar button in the top left corner to display the navigation panel. Then scroll towards the bottom of the sidebar and select your profile. A small menu will appear, and from there click Settings. And when the Settings page opens, select the Connector section, and at the top of the Connectors page, click the Add button to search for a new connection. In the search field, enter ElevenLabs Player and wait for it to appear in the results. Select the connector, then click Install to continue. And then a new page will open with setup instructions. Copy the API settings link, open it in your browser, and create a new ElevenLabs API key. And once the key is ready, copy it and return to Claude. Paste the API key into the connection field, click Save, and make sure the connector is enabled, and then wait for a few moments for Claude to verify the connection. So once the verification is complete, ElevenLabs will now be connected to Claude and is ready to use. You have now successfully installed the connector, added the API key, and enabled the connection. Thank you so much for watching. That is all for today. For more videos like this, hit the subscribe button below, and I'll see you on the next video.